Unleashing your voice, the power of roar out a challenge. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets to effective communication. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's all about expressing determination and courage. Roar out a challenge. Join us as we break down its meaning, use, and how you can incorporate it into your daily conversations to empower your language. Roar out a challenge is a vivid, expressive phrase that combines two powerful actions, roar and challenge. To roar means to make a loud, deep sound, often associated with lions or other large animals. It signifies strength, authority, and sometimes aggression. A challenge, on the other hand, is a call to someone to participate in a competitive situation or to face a difficult task. When you roar out a challenge, you're not just issuing a regular challenge. You're doing it with immense force, conviction, and confidence. It's about standing tall, making your presence known, and daring someone or something to confront you. This phrase is often used in contexts where you want to highlight the intensity and seriousness of a challenge. It could be in sports, business, personal development, or any scenario where competition and overcoming obstacles are involved. For example, if a soccer team captain gives a pep talk before a big game, they might say, "Today, we roar out a challenge to our rivals. We show them we're not afraid." Here, it emphasizes the team's readiness and determination to face their opponents. Roar out a challenge has found its place in various forms of media, illustrating its power and motivational quality. In movies, characters might use this phrase before a pivotal battle or showdown. In literature, heroes often roar out a challenge to their adversaries, symbolizing the climax of their journey and their readiness to face whatever comes their way. These examples help us understand how the phrase can be used metaphorically to represent any significant effort to overcome challenges, be they personal, professional, or fictional. Roar out a challenge is more than just a phrase. It's a declaration of strength, courage, and readiness to face difficulties head-on. It's about making your voice heard and standing firm in the face of adversity. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the power of your own voice and to face your challenges with boldness and confidence. Thank you for watching, and remember, your voice has the power to change your world.